Okay, the Huruma CDF Social Hall that housed more than 100 households that survived the building tragedy closed today. The national government says it has allocated 6 million shillings for 168 families to meet their immediate needs such as housing, food and burial arrangements. Dorcas Wangira has the details.
Huruma CDF Social Hall Tuesday morning. Camp closed for more than 130 households that survived the tragedy. Clothes left behind, items strewn, mute witness to what was temporary relief. Yvonne Ocheng lost her sister, mother, son and 2 nephews. When we first met her, she had hoped that they would still be alive 6 days after the building collapsed. At Daima Primary with other victims, she has tried to be strong, but it's too much for her.
There's my mom, my sister, there are 2 kids, together with my son. So I'm watching from
There has been intervention from many quarters, humanitarian assistance, medical attention, but there remains more pressing, more basic priorities. The national government says it has milked 6 million shillings from the National Government Affirmative Fund for 198 families. For resettlement, the Cabinet Secretary for Public Service, Cicely Kariuki, says the affected households will have their rent for 2 months paid and 1 month down payment to the tune of 15,000 shillings each. For funeral arrangements, 600,000 shillings has been set apart, 20,000 shillings for each bereaved household. The number went up to 208 families. The rest given as basic household items and school material.
It is for this reason that the government also comes in to support the affected families with upwards of 6 million shillings.
10 days after the building that was on this very ground came down, the rescue operation has ended and the camp that housed the victims has been closed. The county government says 70 buildings will still have to come down.
Tutastaki serikali ya kaunti kwa negligence. Jamii zimewekwa na wapendwa wao. Tutaenda kotini kuitisha compensation.
130 survivors left the camp today, 19 people still missing, 13 bodies were unidentified according to data availed Tuesday morning. The exercise continued for the better part of the day, but the resettlement is not immediate. Families tell us they still have to seek temporary shelter from neighbors and friends. Evicted families are also seeking for intervention. Yvonne tells us that she is yet to receive the bodies of her loved ones. She is awaiting the results of the post-mortem exam to finally have closure. Dorcas Wangira, KTN News, Nairobi.